Hey guys, welcome back to Piston Head Productions, or the vlog or whatever. On this episode, I'm going to show you kind of the behind the scenes of my weekend heading to Niagara with the turbo coupe yet again. Go hang out with Randy, throw the big turbo on, all that fun stuff. Sorry about the wind noise. Really got to get a windsock for this thing, but yeah, that's the plan. Make this thing go fast. For some strange reason, I always end up at Andrew's house anytime I have to go to Niagara, but he's holding more parts of mine hostage. So, here to grab those. I also think he got a new Civic. Woo! On it, boy! Didn't get to hang out with Andrew's mom this time, unfortunately, but what I did get is... I'm dropping receipts. Don't want to litter. The missing part to the downpipe, which is this piece right here, if you can see it. So that's what I'm missing, that's what I needed. Now we make more boost. Yeah, good luck with that. He's a big suck. What's up?
Hi. Oh God, don't kill me.
Not too late.
Too late. You're on camera.
What's up?
What up?
I got pissed real bad.
Yeah, give her.
Real bad. Some coolant, I think. It smells like coolant.
Tastes like coolant.
Pretty stoked to work on this tomorrow. So all that's got to come off and exchange it for bigger that's.
Pop this off tomorrow morning.
Yeah, take that off. It should be fairly easy though.
Yeah, it should be.
It should be. So everything's fucking super close to it, and it's just a matter of disconnecting it and pulling it back out.
Yeah.
The only things I think I might have forgot is a 90 to fit properly, because I forgot the intake on that might be bigger, and might have to figure out something with this, but cross that bridge when we come to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Other than that, everything else should stay the same.
That the little guy's holding there?
What's that, this little piece?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit.
After Scott ripped it. You're
Power steering.
power steering there.
Yeah, it's I got issues with that anyways. Oh man.
Oh no.
Golly gee willikers. Oh, it's still making sense.
She's a squirter.
Yeah, alright. After you cleaned all the floors. Hang on. Alright. I guess I should pack, get everything else ready. Grab the parts. The nice thing is most of the parts are sitting in the trunk. Car's in for the night, so podcast. Fuck yeah. Finally got pop filters for everyone who was bitching. Finally. You're welcome. And I'm sorry. We were debating whether or not we were going to work on the car, and the sleeves came off, so
The guns are out.
gun show.
That's what
So
I'm working on right now.
I think that's what we're gonna do.
My guns.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's apparently what we're doing. Yeah, we'll do all that stuff. I'm gonna try and do 2 videos. I'm gonna break it up. So it'll be the vlog and then there'll be the build video. I'm not gonna build them in together. I'm gonna do it separate. Fuck it, might as well.
I want to tear into this motherfucker.
13B. Oh yeah. Well, we didn't make it all that far.
Pizza!
Pizza!
Fuck up Jacob's diet!
Yeah! Alright guys, it has been a few hours. Randy and I got a couple hours of sleep last night, but last night we did get, well, mostly this morning, got a ton of shit done. We've got pretty much everything mocked up. The only thing we've got left to really weld, and I say we, I mean Randy, is welding on the external wastegate flange. We had to bore it out, and basically cut it out so that way we could twist it a little bit. So all the marking lines are there for it. So that is what's left to do on that end of the welding. The downpipe has been modified, changed, redone, and now looks like this. So it's got a kick-ass little dump right at the end, kind of shoot the exhaust downward away from the transmission support. That's the new top section of it. So you can see our crazy adapter flange thing. It's all hand banged out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We've got the oil feed figured out in the car. Now it's just a matter of getting the oil return figured out, which I'm pretty sure we have we know what we're gonna do. And then I just need a 2.5 inch to 2.5 inch 90. So I'm gonna see if I can get someone to drop one off for me. Top. Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Doug's like, yep, that's Randy. What? So Rich wanted to know about dinner. He said that Stefan was going to bring his wife if you brought your wife.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. Just tell the old lady, be like, we're going out.
Yeah, I'll just be like, we'll go to this bridal show, but you're coming to man supper.
There you go. I get to be Rich's date.
Rich's date?
Rich's date. I don't know if Rich's wife exists.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll fit. That'll fit. Oh, it looks good. It's scary that it would fit in there.
It fits in there pretty good.
Yeah, I wonder how long it would take to spool. Especially with the hot side that big. And man.
Yeah, it'd take forever.
Oh, I've already got turbo envy. Let's start over. Pretty much everything is ready to go. We are just missing parts to do the drain. So we're gonna run out and go check that out. And yeah. Oh, do the low lane. Camera shot. All of the clamps. Oh yeah?
It's like 2 feet too long. I've never heard that before.
Can you imagine just like the oil drain just loops around and around? I got a good fitting section here.
Yes, it's not bad.
So we need...
Man, I think that
The hardware store will provide.
I think that'll be long enough.
Yeah.
I just hope this is tall enough.
Yeah. It should be. No, it will be. It will be.
Because
The more I think about it...
What? Yeah, because this, like, looking at that, that'll end up putting it in front of that last header pipe.
Yeah.
So
And that should just snake up in between.
Snake up.
This is so ghetto looking, but whatever.
What are you talking about? It's fucking shiny stainless.
I know, we'll polish it up.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the way.
Way she goes.
I think that'll do.
Should we take it once around and see if there's anything else we need? Alright. Do we need anything else? Some ancient hinges.
There's a throttle cable in here now too. Fuck.
Don't need that. So many air filters.
Yeah, it's pretty good find.
Yeah.
Like,
Everything's kind of loosened up. If there might be a couple little.
Still in the truck. And
Yeah, you're good. It's super top heavy, but. Anyways, Dave swung by. I drove all the way to Point Cache, way past up north to grab this for them, but
it sounded like it was close. So
it sounded like it was
hey,
close.
No big deal. Who do we
Well,
live
it's
up there?
in a straight line. It's 20 minutes, but there's a
Yeah.
giant lake in the way, so
4-hour drive to save Peter $20 on a sander.
that's all right. Is that what it saved?
I don't know. He's such a bargain hunter. I don't
Man,
know.
it's a wicked buy. This is a $400 sanding unit.
Is it
easy.
really? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
yeah, it's deep.
Yeah, it's even, dude, it's even got a vacuum port collector. Look, it's a vacuum port on it. This just has to be tightened up, but
Now we got to build a roll cage or something to make this thing. Just
now you gotta make it worth it. Look, I'm getting out of work again. So Dave from Speed Academy stopped in, dropped off kind of our missing piece, which is this. I totally forgot that the coupler I had is only 2 inch, I believe, and this is 2.5 on the inlet on this one. So Dave thankfully grabbed that, and thank you to Riley for finding one for me, Riley Sexsmith. Yeah, thanks again, buddy, appreciate that. So we are now at the point, we've got all the plumbing stuff figured out. It is now a matter of final assembly, which I'm so excited for. So that is what we will be doing next, is putting it all together. I am running a tap through all of these parts. A lot of them are messed up, but getting there.
Slowly. Yeah, come on. Slowly, very slowly everywhere.
Slowly everywhere. I'm gonna need like...
What were we doing? Oh, I was just gonna jump on the trunk.
Oh, okay.
Don't lose me. Whoa! Watch the bump. It's slippery back here. So I'm currently riding on the trunk. Hopefully I don't fall off. But don't bounce like it anymore.
We're gonna do some burnouts.
All right. Quick, John. I didn't see any fire. Huh? I said I didn't see any fire.
Try again, brake trap.
Not on me.
Is there oil like in a streak?
No, there's some drips, but that's about it. Well, that one was successful. And now it dies, watch. Yeah. So weird to smell in the wintertime. Hey?
He's not happy about something.
His fuel gauge is at like 0.
Yeah.
But you're letting the smoke out. That's not good.
Alright, I'm gonna turn around and head back in, I think. I don't know where the smoke's coming from. Can you tell?
There?
Is there oil leaking out of the turbo?
Nothing's leaking on top. I think it's just burning the oil off the valve cover.
I got you.
No. Sounds like a mean cantaloupe though.
Hey guys, just getting up on the last day here in Niagara. It's gonna be a short day. I'm gonna go meet up with my wife and grab my wife and kids. But yeah, turbo coupe did great last night. Had an absolute blast over the weekend. Don't think we got much planned for today. Just load the car up and call her a night, or call her a weekend, sorry.
Well, weekend's pretty much wrapped up. Did a couple of quick pulls just to see how things were running. I did notice with the car, it's only hitting 15 pounds. Even if I crank the boost controller way down, it's still only hitting 15 pounds. So I'm gonna play around with that crazy wastegate. It's got a whole bunch of different settings and stuff on it, so we'll have to go from there. But super happy with how everything turned out. Awesome weekend. You know, all things considered, I would say it was great. I got to hang out with Randy. We got to hang out with Rich from Deboos. Dave from Speed Academy showed up. Just like everybody, it's an awesome YouTube community. Super happy to be part of it. Super happy to be bringing you guys videos on this thing. So stoked to be bringing you videos on that bus. But yeah, that's just a matter of ratcheting things up, and then I'll be hitting the road here shortly. Hey guys, thanks again for watching Everything Piston Head Productions. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of behind the scenes vlog as to what it is that kind of goes on along with these weekends whenever I do these build weekends with friends. Really appreciate it. Make sure to go check out everybody else's channel. Please check out Chrome to Envy. He's got a lot of cool videos. He's just getting into it, but he's doing an amazing job. Check out Rich from Deboos Garage. Check out Dee from Speed Academy. Make sure to check out everybody. I'll try and remember to put some links. I always suck at doing that though. But thanks again for watching, guys. New videos out Mondays and Fridays. Podcast out every Wednesday. The podcast that we did with Randy should be out, so by the time this goes up. But anyways, thanks again, guys, for watching. We'll catch you next time.